Going there, do you, Debbie?
Yeah.
Debbie's gonna catch me working.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Oh.
Show them what we just knocked out, Debbie. Just knocked them pistons out of that motor. That forward 6-cylinder. Now we're gonna move the block. You showing our video that over this way, Debbie?
Yep.
Watch your toes, I'm just gonna drop that.
Okay, watch yours too. Oh.
So knocking these pistons out, I just put this in there and I tried to hammer them out, but 5 out of 6 of them were seized up. Don't drop that on your toes.
All right.
Now that goes the same as brake rotors. Nice chunk of cast there. Cam's all cast. Got a piece of brass here we're going to have to take off. They usually don't worry about the bolts and stuff in there. I think they call it 2%. That's probably a temperature gauge. Water temperature. And we just moved this barrel here. Getting ready to take it to the garage for brass, miscellaneous stuff. So do you want to carry this, Debbie?
I better let you take it. Oh.
Finally got this finished. Debbie's been out here today, and yesterday we were out here cleaning. So what do you think that weighs, Debbie? A couple 100 pounds, maybe?
Maybe, at least.
Just gonna set that there.
That'll work for now, huh?
Yeah. So we're getting a trail clean to move the bench over here. I'll bring that crank over there with it. That crank will go with cast, and this will all go in the 2-foot. This will go into the baler. Somebody's knees cracking. Look at Debbie work there. Debbie, everybody's caught you working.
Yep.
Debbie's a good worker.
I try.
So I got a lot of this, or we got a lot of this. She was working over here yesterday, and I was kind of working over here, back and forth. I did help her some over here, didn't I, Debbie?
Oh, yeah.
And I've smushed some stuff down a couple times in here, just keep throwing more in and smushing it down a little bit. I threw some head gaskets in here too. They were off something. There ain't much metal there, but it's head gaskets got a little metal in them. Some of them head gaskets are actually copper. Kind of every now and then you come across them. So I got to move all this shelving yet. This will probably be moved eventually, maybe a little closer or something. But yeah, that door, you can shut that when you're smushing stuff so it don't come out. I got a junk battery there. Of course, this ain't gonna be too level. I might have to get in here with a shovel, or maybe I'll try the backhoe and just scoop it out. I kind of got it sloped so the water don't run in the building. But I got this shelf in here, and the other part of it's over there. I'm gonna put this someplace for my 2-foot. Just kind of throw it in there and go through it and get ready to take some in. That's some aluminum in there. Just getting things cleaned up over here in Poorville before the hopefully before the snow gets deep. I caught Debbie working. My old winch, that still works. So yeah, I know I mentioned it before, but I want to bring that shelf up over here. I've got some other engines out back, and there's a cam that'll go in the same as that block. But I'll be using this and making a little outside area. Put a bench out here with a vise, and when it ain't too bad a day, I'll work outside. And as long as it ain't real windy, I work out here in the winter. I'm going to get this all cleaned up and get the trimmer out here and cut all the weeds down. That's the plan for probably the weekend. I do got somebody who wants to come in this van, actually a couple people, but I don't know. One guy said he wants to come tomorrow, wants some more pictures of it. We put quite a few pictures on there, so I don't know what he needs more pictures for, but anyway, I better get back to work. Debbie's going to give me a write-up. Thanks for stopping by Poorville. Just thought I'd show that engine being finished tearing down. I started on it a few months ago. And there was water, a little bit of water and oil in the cylinder, so I just kept sliding it out and dropped the pistons right in the bucket. These used to be 35 cents a piece. 25, 35, they varied a little bit. They probably ain't much nowadays, but I didn't make too big of a mess. It's mostly water in them, but then I'll take it over and dump it in our burner over there. And get this thing moved over there. Actually, I got to spin it because I want the drawers facing the front. What'd you find, Debbie?
That stuff you use to clean spark plugs, I guess.
What is it?
Looks like it's got a rip in it.
Oh, some kind of adhesive?
Yeah, for those spark plugs, I think.
We'll probably just throw that away.
Okay.
It's probably been wet and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Guess we're cramming stuff in here. Haven't even used my power washer this year. I've got odor cleaner in that area. Of course, we want to make room too so we can bring the bus up here and finish that up and either keep working on it or sell it. There's a heater on the bus right there. I got them hoses up there like that because there's antifreeze in it and I didn't want it dripping on the ground. So I'll have to figure out a way to put them someplace so I don't spill it all over. Yeah, there's the drawers. I want to put them to the front, so I got to pick it up and spin it. It's kind of weird moving, even with a back. It wants to go everywhere where you want it. But I'll get it done. Probably the next video I'll have that over there, hopefully. Have this area cleaned up and the weeds all knocked down and get my little work area set up there. Thanks for stopping by Poorville. Camera ain't focusing. Have a great day. Goodbye now. We'll find a project.